What's up, everybody? Today is exciting like no other day. We got a huge surprise for you and for me, mainly for me, but you know, it's for you guys too, because we get to make more content, make more creative things. So honestly, this box is massive. I know I posted up the picture of me standing on top of the box, but this thing is just, if you look at the picture, you could actually see how big it is. But regardless, let's get to unboxing this. I've waited 3 months for this to come in, and yeah, I can't wait to open this. So let's get into it. You gotta see what's inside. There's a hole here. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Come close, come close.
I think we have locks or something.
No! I need keys.
Yeah, it's got keys.
I need keys. It's a little tough. We have no handle here. So we're trying to get it open. There you go. There you go. Look at that.
Lightweight, baby. Use them knees, bro.
It's not light.
It's not lightweight.
All I gotta say is, wow. Let's just look at this. The thing just blows me away. Like, the bed size is a 54 by 36, and you could take off the front section here and the back section over there, so you could slide a 4x8 sheet and kind of, I don't remember what the process is called, but with the plasma tables, they have the same thing where you can, I guess, offset cut, but you can use the full 4x8. You just have to align it properly and stuff like that. So it's really cool. Lots of, I guess, tech behind this. You can see it has the CO2 laser as well. So not only do we have a fiber laser, we have a CO2 laser, we have a laser welder, rust removal, laser rust removal, laser cutter, obviously. You could do it handheld. We could see here, they've also sent some cut samples. Let me prop this up for you guys. So this is the cut samples they've sent. You can see here in the front section, you have some carbon steel, some stainless steel, some aluminum, and copper. Now, over here you can see the thickness that they have here is 10 mil on carbon steel with nitrogen and oxygen, and on air you're getting about 6 mil. Stainless steel is 5 mil on both options. Aluminum is 3 mil and 5 mil, 5 mil on air and 3 mil on nitrogen, and 3 mil on air and 3 mil on nitrogen for copper. The cut quality samples look pretty good. You can see on the outside here, everything looks fairly good. I'm looking forward to using this machine. I can't wait to get it wired up. I need Anthony, unfortunately, to come wire it up. He's the electrician. Next 2 weeks, we could hopefully have this wired up and running. I do need to order the nitrogen and I need to order the oxygen. So I'll have to get on that and figure out when that will be here. The other thing I did get with this machine is the rotary tube cutter, which didn't ship with this. It should be here in the next 2 weeks, I hope. I've contacted them to ask them when that's coming. So once I have that, I will make sure to get pictures and videos of that as well, and hopefully working by that time. This is the unit itself. This is the machine itself. This is the head for the laser, and obviously this can do multiple processes. I believe you just unscrew, you take this out of the head here and you change it for whatever process you're trying to do. Now, the unit itself looks pretty beefy. It looks pretty well built. I can't really complain about anything yet on that end. This is the wire feeder for the laser welder. The spool is sitting right here, of course. So, you know, like I said, this unit looks pretty good so far. As you can see, there's the water chiller and then the exhaust fan, which we'll have to put a hose from there, which is included in the kit, and I'll have to exhaust it somewhere. Now, the other issue that I'm running into with this is I'm actually trying to figure out where I'm actually going to put this. Now, the problem is this machine is a lot bigger than I thought. I'm thinking that we might have to put no hoist here. We might just have to put a hoist here and a hoist here. Now, I measured it out yesterday to try and figure out how I would work this. So I have 9 from here to the door. I have 9 feet, and then from here to here gives me another 9 feet. So that's 18 feet, and the post offset would be there, which and then plus another 20 inches or so between the post and where the car would actually end up, which you could see is sort of like this. So I'm trying to figure out how I would do it. I think this is the plan, and I think it's what I'm gonna stick with, just because it just makes the most sense. And then that way it allows us to have all this space from this door all the way back, to have the laser, have welders set up, and just have space to bring in any other projects besides vehicles. This is the stepping stone to bigger and better things. We've gone over the machine, we've gone over the capabilities, we've gone over the plan in the shop. Thanks for being a part of the journey so far. I'm looking forward to all the things that are coming. I'll catch you guys on the next one. We got the laser beams. We got the laser. We got the laser beams. Poo, poo.